Suppose we want to add 5/6 plus 5/4, or we can think about the story situation. Jen has 5/6 gallons of red paint and 1/4 gallons of blue paint. How much paint does she have? Now let's just recall that in our diagram, the first thing I'm going to represent is our first add-in, or 5/6, which means I'm going to take my whole and I'm going to partition it into 6 equal sized parts, and I'm going to select 5 of those parts. To that, I'm going to join 1 1/4, which we know is 5/4, and in my second diagram I can see I have my whole plus 1/4 of another, so I have 5 parts of size 1/4. And what I want to know is, what do I call this sum? Well, if I'm going to add those two fractions, I have to count the number of equal-sized parts. So what will be my equal-sized parts? Well, we know that our common denominator is going to be 12. So when we take 5/6 and we multiply numerator and denominator to get to 10/12, what it means is that we're going to create twice as many pieces that are smaller. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and that 5/6 is the same as 10/12. Likewise, when we multiply 5/4 with the numerator and denominator by 3, I'm making 3 times as many pieces. There's 1/3, 2/3, 1, 2, 3. I can continue this process, and I could double check. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. My whole is 12/12, plus another 3/12, which is going to give me a total of 15 parts of size 1/12. Now I can count the total number of pieces of size 1/12. I have 10 plus 15, which is going to give me 25/12, which we know is 2 wholes, because that's 24/12, plus an additional 12. So our fraction tiles see that we have to find a common sized part. That's going to be the same way with our number line. If I need to figure out the location of my number line, I have to break everything into 12s. And we can see we have everything broken into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to break everything into 12s. There's my 12/12. There's another 12/12. And there's my final 12/12. Well, my first jump is going to be those 5 1/6 parts, or we can see we're doing a total jump of 10/12. My other jump is how many 12s? Well, I'm adding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 12s. Again, giving me a total of 25 12s, which we can see is 1/12 more than 2. So again, we find that common denominator because we're counting equal-sized parts.